Hey everyone, this is Joe with Prime Protection. We are your local ADT dealer serving Central Florida. Wanted to show you how to use a key fob properly. This is a Honeywell key fob designed for Honeywell products. Basically, you have a disarm button right here. You have an arm away button right here, arm stay button, and then a 2-button panic. Basically, your disarm does exactly that. You must hold it down for at least 2 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Same thing for all these commands. You have to hold it down for at least 2 seconds. So the disarm's pretty easy. This one right here will arm it in away mode. What that means is whatever sensors you have on your doors and windows will be activated, and your motion detector will also be activated. So if nobody's in the house, you want your motion detector on in case someone comes in a window or a door or window that's not secure. You want the motion to pick them up. Let's say you are home and you want to secure the perimeter, but you don't want the motion to be on. You would arm that in stay mode. You'll see there's a little person inside this house. That means that the perimeter will be secure. However, the motion will be off so you can walk around freely, but still feel secure that no one's coming in your house. Lastly, you've got the emergency panic. You can push these 2 buttons together, hold it down for at least 2 seconds like the other commands, and basically the monitoring center will send the police because they know it's an emergency panic. Hope this video helped. We've got plenty more to come. And again, this was how to use a Honeywell key fob. Talk to you guys soon.